Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python effectively. Start by understanding the core principles, such as variables, data types, and basic operations. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to coding exercises. Leverage the vast array of free online tutorials and documentation available to guide your learning path. This foundational approach will build a strong understanding. Once you grasp the basics, delve into control flow statements like if-else conditions and for or while loops. Functions are crucial for writing modular and reusable code, making your programs more efficient. Familiarize yourself with Python's powerful built-in data structures, including lists, dictionaries, and sets, which are essential for handling various data types. To truly master Python, apply your knowledge by building small, practical projects. This hands-on experience reinforces learning and reveals new challenges. Discover powerful libraries such as NumPy for numerical computing or Pandas for data analysis, which extend Python's capabilities significantly. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It offers invaluable real-world coding experience and collaboration opportunities. Python is constantly evolving, so commit to continuous learning by staying updated with new features and best practices. Actively engage with the vibrant Python community through forums, meetups, or online groups for support and diverse insights. Remember, the journey of learning Python is ongoing. Always experiment with new ideas and continue building innovative applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.